Hello and welcome to Resilient Yoga Therapeutics. We are going to do a short little practice just to release those aching joints from maybe working on the computer, working in the yard. Maybe it's just the change of seasons from summer to fall causing a little bit of achiness and dryness in the joints. So we'll take just a little bit of time here, and you can do this anywhere. I'm just dropped down on the floor here in front of my sofa, and you can do the same while you're watching TV or in the middle of your workday. And so let's get started now, and I invite you to take a comfortable seat, whether you're dropping down to the floor like me, sitting on a cushion, or in your chair at work, or maybe just stay right there on the sofa. And if you're on the sofa, maybe scooting to the edge so you can sit up nice and tall. Let's close our eyes here for a moment and tune in to our bodies. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. Take a moment to arrive. Tune into the feeling of your body sitting on the surface of whatever you're sitting on. Feel your hands on your knees or your thighs. And just take this moment to find your breath. Breathing gently in through the nose, out through the nose, relaxing through the entire body and mind. I invite you to continue with that breath as we move through these gentle movements for our joints. Now let's blink open our eyes, and we'll start with a gentle inhale with the shoulders going up to the ears, and exhale down. You feel free to close your eyes and just listen to my voice. Inhale up, exhale down. Relax, inhale up, exhale down. Just feel that release as the shoulders come down. Inhale up and exhale down. Just take a moment to pause, eyes closed. Feel your shoulders relax down away from your ears. And it doesn't take much time, just a moment to be present in your body. Blink open your eyes, drop your chin down towards your chest. Take a moment here and breathe in and breathe out. Now look all the way up towards the ceiling, maybe letting your head come back a little farther. Breathe in and breathe out. Gaze forward, drop your right ear over to your right shoulder, and it's okay if you do the other side. And take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Good. Now back to center and sit up tall. Inhale. Exhale, relax. Drop your left ear over to your left shoulder. And sometimes one side is a little tighter. So make sure your body isn't leaning with you. Let's keep our body upright. Take a breath in and a breath out as we bring our head back up to center. Drop your chin back to your chest and roll your head from one side, ear towards the shoulder, and back, and other side, ear towards the shoulder. You might hear a little crackly pop if you're my age. And then back over to the other side. As we breathe and move, we're bringing more lubrication into the joints. So you might start to hear less of those cracking noises the more you do these movements. Bring your chin all the way back towards your chest and gaze up. And we'll do one more for our wrists now. Bring your palms together, interlace the fingers, and let's do some circular motions with our hands. Inhaling and exhaling. Let the breath release all the joints from pain. We're just doing the upper body today, and we will do the lower body another day. just so we can have one of these little yoga snacks during our day, maybe our work day, maybe our fun day. Maybe it's at the end of the day when you're sitting down to relax or watch TV or whatever you do at night. And then shake it out just gently. Let's open the fingers wide, spread them wide, bring them into tight fists. Exhale out. Inhale, open. Exhale out. Inhale, open. And exhale. Open it up, and slowly we're going to bring the left hand on the bottom, palms up, right hand inside the left, and set them down to your lap. Close your eyes, breathe in through your nose, out through your nose, in through your nose, and out through your nose. One more breath in, and one more breath out. Let's just pause here. Tune back into your body. Feel yourself sitting on the floor. Feel the hands touching one another. Feel the relaxation through the shoulders, the neck, the wrists. And just notice that that didn't take that much time. Let's blink open the eyes now. So you see, you can just take a few moments each day doing just a little bit of movement, a little bit of breath, and you see these amazing healing benefits of yoga. They're therapeutic, as small and easy as they are, and I'm sure you've already known these movements yourself. But sometimes it takes a video or a little nudge to get yourself to do them. So I thank you for joining me, and my little friend Duffel here joining us as well. Let's all thank Duffel for joining us and bringing us his calm energy today. Have a great day.